I'm going to show you a modified pull-up variation that helps you strengthen the muscles you need to do full pull-ups, but makes them way more accessible than actually doing full body weight pull-ups. So if you set a bar up, this is probably at about hip height if I were standing. You want to be able to reach the bar when you're sitting on the ground. You could go a little bit higher than this. You'll notice my elbows are slightly bent. The reason I have it a little lower is because I really want you guys to be able to focus on pulling your shoulder blades down on your back when you're setting up for this exercise. So you're going to grab the bar wider than shoulder distance apart, pull those shoulder blades down on your back nice and firmly, and then from there it's like you're doing a pull-up. Get your chin above the bar, lower back down with control so your butt touches the ground. Repeat for the desired time. If you find that incredibly challenging, bend your knees, plant your feet flat on the floor, and work from this position. That's just going to help make this exercise even more accessible for you.